What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, It's Really Sharp, and I am back with another video. If this is your first time watching, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and become a Sharp baby. If you already subscribed, welcome back. Y'all, so in today's video, y'all, I know y'all can already tell from the title, y'all, we in a different city right now. We in Iowa. Out here to come celebrate my cousin's, I was gonna say my brother, my cousin's birthday. So right now, we at the gas station gassing up. Just left out my cousin's house from getting dressed, my other cousin. I had to, you know, slide on some little clothes. I ain't bring no comfortable clothes, y'all. I brought, only comfortable clothes I brought was a pair of shorts, 2 pair of shorts, and that was to sleep in. So I didn't bring like no clean up clothes or no stuff like that. He want us to come clean up his little club or whatever to get it ready for tomorrow for his party. So right now, we on our way to his house where he's at. I think he's there. I don't know if he's there or not. But my auntie and them there. We're gonna go over there and see what they doing. And then when it's time for us to get ready to leave, we're gonna go back to his club. And I'm gonna show y'all the bar. It's so big and pretty. It is so big. I didn't expect it to be that big. Like from the pictures that I seen like on Facebook and stuff, I didn't expect it to be that big. It is huge, y'all. So yeah, I'm about to get ready now and do that. And I got my crew in the car with me, but that's for another time. Good on that. Yeah, so we had to stop at the rest area because your girl has pee. I gotta pee. Go back. Caught myself trying to get tipsy on the road, and y'all,
turn right.
I normally don't be having to use the bathroom like this, but
Proceed to the route.
oh, shut up. Anywho, y'all, so it has to be ladybug season, because look at all these ladybugs. They everywhere. This is the stall that I chose with all these are ladybugs. Literally. They are everywhere. Literally everywhere, y'all. They all up there. Oh my God, let me get out of here. Let me go. Oh. Oh, this is pretty hot already. Whoa. Wow. That thing was warm. I ain't never used this a day in my life. I mean, I could before, but I ain't never cooked it like before. for the garbage. What? We ain't not washing the dishes right now. I'm scared. Come on. I'm scared.
No. I got that drop there. All right, so I'll keep the weapon too. Great. You know how you should do this shit.
Hold on.
You just got a little bit too much grease in there.
Scared the fuck out.
Take it around a little bit. You will. My mind is going like, go. Stop it. That's it, girl. You got the ball for us.
What you do one at a time?
Let me get back on. I just left me too much grease in there.
Yeah.
I put a little too much oil in there. So when you jump, you know it's going to come up.
Going on the clock. Yeah, that's what I'm like. What the? I tried my left hand.
Don't listen to Mickey. Mickey don't know what he's talking about. You turn that mother on for 2 minutes, that bitch ready. You ain't got to keep these on. You don't know what he's talking about. I've been doing this shit for a whole year.
That's all good, right?
Yeah, look. I'm not tickling this shit. It's working. It's cooking. No, cooking good. Throw the greens on that motherfucker. That shit.
They rinse them out. I put them in there. They rinse them out.
That's over with. Man, look at that. That's ready. The fish gonna be ready.
I know you want to keep it in like that. 10, 15 minutes.
I'm sure. Black folks chicken. Oh,
Right. I cook my chicken.
see how I kind of like this one. Now you just turn it down low.
That's what you are so good.
Just turn it down low now.
You see the shit out that chicken.
Ain't no black folks in the kitchen.
You ain't gonna smell it.
This how chicken supposed to be. Party chicken. They don't even put no daggone flour on that chicken. Who is cook? Who?
That's me. I don't forget I was vlogging too. The damn police scared me. Woo!
That was good. Keep that on low.
And this is long too, right? I ain't know this stuff.
You could use that one too if you want to.
How to move it up?
What?
You
still hook it on there. It can hook right on. Look.
I just transfer that one
That
up.
motherfucker hook right on that motherfucker thing right there too. It'll hook on there.
I just put that one up there.
No, I'm just saying it'll hook right on there. Look. Right there. Right up there. There you go. It'll hook. Yeah. That don't go on there.
My first one, I got the little one. Watch this one again.
And then another thing, keep that grease down low. That shit won't look like that too. Down low. Now what we got to do? Yeah.
This one hot. Oh, that's good.
Say what now?
I don't know.
Look, you ain't got to look. Look, right here. Look, this right here. Yeah, turn this way.
That's my one.
It's already on, but it's off now. So when you turn it all the way that way, it's gonna come on. Boom. Don't get your goddamn hand away though.
I know.
No, yeah, let me do it.
That's gonna blow up.
Let me do it.
Which part is it?
Look, look, see? Right here. No, right here. Right there. When you look all the way up, it's like that. And then you get hot fast.
I'm supposed to go in another way.
Yeah, then when you get hot, you know it's hot, you just turn it down and start lowering it. So it won't be burning like that. But it's going down now, right?
Yeah.
There you go. See, that's even good. That's looking good now. Look at that. Turn it down, no cooking all good. Yeah, buddy.
I'm ready now. I'm ready.
Damn chefs in there.
Man, buddy. I'm trying to get this shit together. Did got all this money and all these seasons, she ain't using none of this shit.
That's the next time she should get that with us. Like, sure, I don't feel like I could get that.
It's just that. It's just that. It's just that.
Same height.
Oh, you say you ready for the greens now?
Not yet. That meat gotta get done.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You gotta let that cook for a little bit.
just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done if you come on. Yeah. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling, 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 rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work, 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 work. You send me out there, work, 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 work. You see me do my da, 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 da. Something about that work, 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 work. When you rock out, la, 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 la. When the cat from my church. Yeah.
Hey, feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in a case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me.